Hey there, this is Dr. Ruby, your lifestyle medicine doctor and health coach. I recently held a live workshop where I talked about 3 ways to fight diabetes naturally, and we had a great time there, so I just want to share with you some of the things that we talked about. Now, diabetes, and I'm talking about type 2 diabetes, what are the stats? So 13% of blacks over age 20 actually have diabetes, and 37% of blacks over to age 20 have prediabetes. So that's 50% of African Americans have some sort of either prediabetes or diabetes. So 1 out of 2 people, and you may be one of them. So just to give a quick refresher about what type 2 diabetes is, so glucose is your body's fuel. That's what your body uses for energy, and insulin is the hormone that takes glucose into the cells. Now with type 2 diabetes, you have a deficiency of insulin, so you're unable to use the sugar in your blood for energy, but it stays in the blood and causes health problems like blindness, kidney disease, and heart disease. And it can even lead to amputations and death. So that's scary, right? So how can you fight diabetes naturally? A lot of people don't want to be on medication. A lot of people don't want to be on insulin for the rest of their lives. So they're looking for ways to fight this disease naturally. And there are things that you can do. One is to take charge of your diet and make it plant-based. Plant-based diets have been shown to help control blood glucose levels in those who are diabetic or even pre-diabetic. They're naturally nutrient dense, but not calorie dense. So you could pretty much eat, whatever you want to that's plant-based and not have to worry about gaining extra weight or eating too much or eating too many carbohydrates or sugars like you would normally have to consider if you're eating a standard American diet. You don't have to count your carbs or anything like that. When you switch to a plant-based diet, your blood sugar levels naturally regulate themselves and things go back to normal. The second way you can fight diabetes naturally is to work on your waist size. Now, your waist size is a marker for the amount of fat you have in your abdomen. And this fat around your abdomen is the fat that causes that insulin resistance and glucose intolerance. So that's what causes your insulin levels to be low and your insulin not to work as well and your blood sugar levels to be high. And so it's definitely a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. For women, their waist circumference should be less than 35 inches. That is what lowers your risk. So doing exercises to decrease your waist circumference, so like a plank, doing squats where you twist, doing Pilates, yoga, anything like that will help decrease your waist size and decrease your risk for type 2 diabetes. And if you have it, it'll help you to reverse it. Lastly is to manage your stress. So stress causes the body to release hormones that make insulin levels decrease and causes your liver to release glucose from your cells because you need energy. So that is exactly what type 2 diabetes is. So if you want to manage it, if you want to fight it, you have to manage your stress levels. So you have to, find ways to meditate. You have to find ways to decompress at the end of the day. Whatever it is for you that decreases your stress levels is what's going to help you fight the disease. So those are 3 quick tips to fight diabetes naturally. If you're interested in learning more, then I have a free guide called 3 Tips to Fight Diabetes for the Busy Black Woman. You can click on the link below to download that. It has some great resources for ways to fit exercise in. It has 15 plant-based foods to help you manage your blood sugar. It's got exercises to help decrease your waist size as well. So feel free to download that guide. Again, my name is Dr. Ruby. I'm your lifestyle medicine doc and health coach. You can find me at rubythomasmd.com, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.